Hello, my name is Manoj Apte. I am Vice President of Product Management for Zscaler. It's a cloud security company. We are a leader in cloud security services. I was asked to talk about a couple of things, primarily around cloud computing and the trends in cloud computing. We see a lot of adoption across the world for cloud computing. It's the new way of delivering services, of delivering professional services, and for companies to leverage things that they could not have done without bringing people in from expert service offerings. With the internet, you can actually not have to go to any other company. You can simply log into a site and leverage their service. In terms of the types of services that are offered as a cloud computing service, Salesforce has probably been the most well-known cloud computing service. It has been in the market for 6-7 years as a really successful company, and it provides people to do CRM applications, manage your customers. While that is a great application, that field has expanded quite a bit. People have now started using the cloud for doing HR applications with Workday, or moved their email to the cloud with Google. And that has also evolved to providing security as a service from the cloud. Postini has been around for a while and has provided security for numerous enterprises. And while email security is well established and people have moved to the cloud for doing email security, it has not quite caught on to web until Zscaler came about. There was a very basic problem with doing web security as a cloud delivered service, which is you cannot have a data center in 2 or 3 places across the world and provide security, because the latency to get to the cloud becomes a big issue. Employees will start complaining about it being too slow. And so what we see is that as we came to market, we realized we wanted to create a cloud that is global, worldwide, so that no matter where your employees are, we are right there. We have 2 locations within Mexico. We have 40 data centers across the world. So no matter where people are, they can go to the closest location and get security from the cloud without having to have latency. So it is almost like having an Akamai, but primarily for delivering security as a service. What Zscaler does is it doesn't just provide security as a service, it provides a plethora of products that are required for controlling internet access when you have employees going to the internet, for security, for access management, for productivity, for data leakage prevention. You cannot go to multiple products to do that anymore when you leverage the cloud. So with Zscaler, you go to one place, you do very deep security, including all the browser vulnerabilities that were recently announced. All your employees are protected, regardless of whether they use an old browser or a new browser. They will not get hacked as long as they are going through Zscaler. We provide deep Web 2.0 controls, so you can figure out who can post to YouTube, who can only watch YouTube, how long can they watch YouTube. We also look at all data leaving your organization to figure out if there is data leaking out of your organization. Your financial statements or your source code or your credit cards should never leak out of a posting on a blog or a web mail being sent out on Yahoo. We watch all that traffic and make sure that we can provide that level of security and risk management. People have been very worried about going to the cloud also because I'm not, the feeling is I'm not sure, will I have access to my data? What is the reliability of the cloud? It's better if I can touch and feel it as a box. And there is an inherent apprehension of how difficult will it to be leverage the cloud computing services. Zscaler is very, very easy to leverage. You have a simple firewall rule on your egress firewall saying all the port 80 traffic goes to the node in Mexico City. And from there, you're done. You simply specify a policy in the cloud. You have your own portal, so you never have to call Zscaler for anything. You simply define your policy. You have real-time access to all logs, all reports, so you can figure out what's going on for your employees at any point in time and take care of it. So as a whole, I would say to have much better security, professionally manage security, because as the vulnerabilities come along, you don't have to worry about what do I do next to protect my employees. Zscaler will take care of it. Being able to leverage data leakage prevention, Web 2.0 controls, analysis in real time, all of that from a single platform. Cloud computing is here and it's making it easy to use.